In order to solve problems on trains, we have to understand some formulas. That is, speed equal to distance by time, and you have to understand some conversions. If you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. And if you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 by 5. If two trains are running in the opposite direction, their relative speed is x plus y, and if two trains are running in the same direction, their relative speed is x minus y. One more concept is time taken by a train of length L meters to pass a stationary object of length p meters is the time taken by the train to cover L plus p meters. That is the length of the train plus the length of the stationary object. The next type of problem is the length of the bridge which a train 130 meters long and traveling at 45 km per hour can cross in 30 seconds is option A 200 meter, option B 225 meter, option C 245 meter, option D 250 meter. So here the answers are given in meter. So we have to find the length of the bridge. So let x meter be the length of the bridge. Here the speed is given, speed of the train equal to 45 km per hour. The answers are given in meter, so you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 45 into 5 by 18. How many times 9 in 18? 2 times. How many times 9 in 45? 5 times. So 5 5s are 25 by 2 meter per second. The time taken to cross the bridge t equal to 30 seconds. The distance traveled d is length of the train plus length of the bridge. So that is x plus 130 meter. Speed is calculated distance by time. So 25 by 2 equal to distance is x plus 130 by the time is 30. So how many times 2 in 30? 15 times. So x plus 130 equal to 25 into 15, which is equal to 375 meter. So x equal to 375 minus 130 equal to 245 meter. So the answer is option C. Thank you very much.